Here we've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark II, and let me show you how to activate and use TalkBack on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now scroll down, find and pick accessibility, and here under screen readers you will find TalkBack. So just click on it and you can smoothly activate it by tapping on the switcher. Then confirm that you would like to give it a full control of your device. Here you've got tutorial, but let me go back. And basically all you have to know is written here. So let me just volume it up so you can hear it clearly.
When TalkBack is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or partially sighted. To navigate using TalkBack, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off TalkBack, tap the switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK. Enlist 2 items. Vibrate. Accessibility volume set to 100%.
And then, if you would like to deactivate it, just mark it here.
Use server.
Double tap.
Alert stop.
Tap on stop.
Stop button.
And click twice to switch it off. So this is it. This is how you can activate, use and deactivate TalkBack in your SONY Xperia 10 Mark II. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.